Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the child lock on your AuroKey The AuroKey can be have in the screen LO, and you cannot operate the oven with the buttons. That means the child lock is enabled. You can of course, deactivate the child lock, as you can see, by getting out here this manually button and switch between the options and start it as well. That's possible. To lock this, we go in the center, push it back in position. That's the child lock, the medium child lock here. But in the center, this control panel can be locked and unlocked by pushing the center button and the plus at the same time for 3 seconds. Then, of course, you're able to use it again, as you can see. Okay? To enable child lock, again, push the center and plus for approximately 2 seconds, and you see LO. And then the child lock is being enabled again. And you can, or your child cannot, edit the clock, for example, or the delay time and something else. This is the child lock on your AuroKey oven. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you on my channel. Soon.